Ready to decode the mystery of medical coding? Here's your quick guide. Medical coding might sound complex, but it's really just a way to translate medical reports into a universal language. Here's the scoop. Every procedure, diagnosis, and medical service has a specific code. It's like giving each medical event its own unique fingerprint. Why does it matter? Accurate coding ensures proper billing, quick insurance claims, and most importantly, seamless patient care. Imagine it as the bridge connecting doctors, insurance companies, and patients. So, how do you get started? First, get familiar with the main coding systems: ICD, CPT, and HCPCS. ICD codes cover diseases and health conditions. CPT codes are for procedures and services, and HCPCS codes handle everything else, like equipment and medicines. Remember, practice makes perfect. Use coding manuals and online resources, and don't hesitate to ask for help from experienced coders. With a bit of effort, you'll be decoding medical mysteries in no time. Happy coding!